remaining 1 minute and 28 seconds to play. That's how important last quarter score 73-63. Again, 1 lead para sa Barangay Tuktukan. Jersey number 19, Manchas. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 88, for 3. Yes, but there's a visa. Ball between jersey number 21. That is first foul. Third key foul. Submission. Three free throws for jersey number 88, Mahusay. First shot is good.
Onside.
The last one for jersey number 88, John was ready. Let's go, 3-3 for jersey number 88. Down to 7 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Tuktukan, jersey number 21. It's jersey number 88, pass jersey number 9. Smart play para jersey number 9. On the run, agad na dito to jersey number 33, 10 on the shot clock. Jersey number 31, Palomares, 6-second shot clock. 9 seconds to play, under 1 minute to play. Time out, Barangay Chao. Time remaining 58.9 seconds to play. Our side in fourth and last quarter score 66-73. 7-point lead para sa Barangay Tuktukan. Both teams, ibigay sa mga time out para sa ating fourth quarter. Seconds to play, under 1 minute to play para sa ating fourth and last quarter. The score 73-66. 40-second shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 19, passing jersey number. The passing number 8, almost hitting the ball. 10-second shot clock, jersey number 8, following shot. Moving back, jersey number 3. Rebounding jersey number 9, Cruz. Passing jersey number 6, Trinidad. Waiting ball streaming. Philippine on the shot clock. 42 seconds to play. Passing jersey number 6, Dixon up to number 2. 35 seconds to play. Passing jersey number 19, it's good for 2. 29.7 seconds to play.